आज बहुत तैयारी है, लामिसाल तैयारी है हिंदुस्तान के इतिहास में। दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट द फार्मर्स आर होल्डिंग देयर पैरेलल पार्लियामेंट एट द दिल्ली। दिस इज वन पॉइंट। आज तक हिंदुस्तान के इतिहास में ऐसा नहीं हुआ। पहले तो ये हुआ कि किसानों ने अपना एक विप जारी किया, वो भी पार्लियामेंट की हिस्ट्री है। अभी तक जो पार्लियामेंट के पार्टीज हैं उनके लीडर्स तो विप जारी करते हैं, ऑर्डर करते हैं, पर पब्लिक ने बिल्कुल नहीं किया। ये वोटर्स का राइट है, बिकॉज दे आर इलेक्टेड बाय द वोटर्स। ये वोटर ने विप जारी किया कि आप इलेक्ट होके आते हो और लोगों की बात नहीं वहाँ पे करते। पार्लियामेंट में खेती कानून, एग्रीकल्चर क्राइसिस जो उनका संकट है उसकी बात करो, और उसका असर हुआ। आपने देखा कि 2 दिन पार्लियामेंट नहीं चला, और ये भी हिस्ट्री है, पार्लियामेंट हिस्ट्री 1947 के बाद कि संसद पैरेलल पार्लियामेंट के बाहर चले, और उतने रोज चले जितने तो पार्लियामेंट चले। पार्लियामेंट 22 से चल रही है, 13 तक चलेगी। हर रोज हमारे 200 किसान 542 के बराबर है। ये बहुत अवेयर हैं, बहुत चेतन है, बहुत जागरूक है। उनसे वो लोग नहीं है इतने। तो हर रोज हम संसद करेंगे, हर रोज एक टॉपिक रखेंगे। ऐसा नहीं कि वैसे हौच पौच होगा, एक टॉपिक पर डिस्कशन करेंगे।
Tracking for you all the latest on the farmer protest in the national capital. Security has been tightened in Delhi. Security personnel have been deployed and barricades have been put up at Jantar Mantar, where farmers will be holding the Kisan Parliament in protest against the 3 farm laws. At deadlock over the issue still continues. Protesting farmers will be launching an agitation at Delhi's Jantar Mantar from today. Now remember, the Samyukta Kisan Morcha, an umbrella body of the protesting unions, are expected to hold a series of demonstrations against these farm laws. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Madhurima to give us more on the developing story right now. Madhurima, what can you tell us with regards to the security arrangements being made in the national capital?
We are reporting from the Ghazipur border. And today is one of the crucial days because after a very long hiatus following the talks which happened between the central government and the farmers, this will be the first time that the farmers would be agitating in a more synchronized manner, though the security has been beefed up all across the borders. May it be Singhu, Tikri or Ghazipur, where we talk about the Ghazipur border. Mr. Tiket left around the Ghazipur border at around 8 a.m. for the Singhu border, from where all the farmers will be reaching the national capital, Jantar Mantar, the protest site, where they'll be registering their protest against the 3 farm bills. However, this time everything is being monitored very diligently. Everything is being monitored very wisely by the police officials following the 26th January fiasco, and to make sure that this time 26th January is not repeated, which is why this time all these farmers will be taken to the national capital in buses pre-assigned in the similar fashion when farmers were escorted to the national capital at Vigyan Bhavan for talks with the government. This would be synchronized and carried out in the similar fashion so as to avoid the kind of ruckus that rattled the national capital on 26 January. We'll have to see that what kind of impact will it have on the government. Will the government take more steps to come to the farmers and initiate talks with them, because it has been a very long time since any talk has happened between the government and the farmers. At the same time, it has to be seen that whether the farmers have changed their stance or not. Are they ready for a clause-by-clause discussion? Because the government, once again, even after the new cabinet expansion, has made it very clear that repealment is not an option, though discussion can be done clause by clause and all the woes of the farmers will be heard, but repealment is not an option. Yes, back to you.
Stay with us, Madhurima. Sumi joining us from the Singhu border. Sumi, Rakesh Tiket has also reached the Singhu border with the hordes of farmers there. He has vowed to continue the protest through the entire monsoon session of Parliament.
Yes, absolutely. What we're getting to know from our highly placed sources is, as we speak right now, Rakesh Tiket is moving towards the main stage to address the farmers here at Singhu border. And I would also like to request my video to kindly pan the camera and show the live visuals of the presence of the heavy contingency of Delhi police officials here. In fact, from here, 200 farmers, the delegation of 200 farmers, along with the small delegation brought in by Rakesh Tikait, will now start moving towards Jantar Mantar. And in fact, the scheduled time that has been given by the farmers is between 10 to 5 p.m. In fact, this is the time that this is the duration where they will keep sitting at the Jantar Mantar and they will protest. And here, as we see, there is a close vigil that has been maintained by the Delhi police officials and also the paramilitary forces. They are heavily deployed here, maintaining the law and order situation, and they will also make sure that when the farmers move in huge numbers, that is 200 of them, when they start moving, they will certainly have to follow the law and order very strictly, and which is why the vigilance has been maintained very, very sternly here. And remember, the talks have also been initiated yet again by the government, where the Agricultural Minister Narendra Singh Tomar had again called the farmers to have a conversation with them. However, they are not ready to hold conversations. And remember, all the previous conversations with the government have miserably failed. And here, what we are also getting to know from the farmers is that they will choose a deputy speaker and also a speaker at the Jantar Mantar every day. And those speakers will keep on changing. And in fact, this will go on till the 13th of August, till the monsoon session concludes. And this is their plan of action to get the government on their demands. In fact, they have also asked the opposition to be present in the monsoon session and to not translate any sort of business, transact any sort of business until their demands are met.
Right, Madhurima, back with me. Madhurima, take us through the early morning scenes at the Ghazipur border from where you're reporting from right now.
Well, if I show you, I'm at the border brim of the Ghazipur border, and because of which, if we show you, there is massive traffic out here because the police has set the barricades, which is causing these vehicles to cause a traffic jam. And let me show you, this is the flyover. I request my camera person, beyond which the farmers are protesting, and you can see the kind of traffic snarls that has caused. We'll be moving forward and showing you more visuals within the protest, though these farmers have been camping here under these flyovers ever since 26th of November 2020. And the scenes today here are not much different, though the numbers of farmers has reduced drastically ever since the protest started. However, they are still camping and have not vacated the kilometers of the site that they had, acquired since the beginning of the protest. And we'll have to wait and watch as to what kind of effect will this particular protest with agitation that will be taking at Jantar Mantar have on the parliament that is running.
And if protest has in the national capital. Joining me on the broadcast is my